Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic sport bikes in the world, the MV Agusta F4 1000. This motorcycle isn't just a machine, it's a piece of art that represents the pinnacle of Italian engineering and design. Get ready to explore what makes the F4 1000 a true legend on two wheels. Design and aesthetics. The MV Agusta F4 1000 boasts a stunning design that captures the essence of speed and elegance. Its aggressive stance is characterized by sharp lines, a sleek tail, and an unmistakable triple headlight setup. The use of premium materials like aluminum and carbon fiber not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also reduces weight, contributing to its nimbleness on the road. Each detail, from the sculpted fuel tank to the aerodynamic fairing, is meticulously crafted to create a motorcycle that is as visually striking as it is functional. Performance and power. At the heart of the F4 1000 lies a formidable 1.000 Seek inline-four engine, delivering an exhilarating 174 horsepower. This power allows the bike to accelerate from 0 to 100 km in just a few seconds, making it a top contender in the sport bike category. The engine's performance is complemented by a 6-speed transmission that ensures seamless gear shifts, allowing riders to fully harness its capabilities. With a top speed exceeding 300 km/h, the F4 1000 is designed for those who crave adrenaline and performance. Handling and technology. One of the standout features of the MV Agusta F4 1000 is its exceptional handling. The bike is equipped with advanced suspension components, including fully adjustable front and rear suspension systems, which provide precise control and stability. Coupled with its lightweight frame, the F4 1000 feels incredibly agile, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the open road. Additionally, cutting-edge technology like traction control and ride-by-wire throttle ensures a safe and exhilarating riding experience, allowing riders to push the limits with confidence. Riding experience. Riding the MV Agusta F4 1000 is nothing short of exhilarating. The bike offers a perfect blend of comfort and sportness, making it suitable for both track days and spirited rides on winding roads. The rider's position is aggressive yet comfortable, allowing for optimal control during high-speed maneuvers. The sound of the engine is music to the ears, with a distinctive growl that amplifies the thrill of the ride. Every twist of the throttle delivers an instant surge of power, making each ride an unforgettable experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the MV Agusta F4 1000 is not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece that embodies performance, style, and passion. Its blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless design makes it a must-have for any serious motorcycle enthusiast. Whether you're a collector or a rider seeking the ultimate thrill, the F4 1000 promises an unmatched experience. Thank you for tuning in to Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle content.